All right, so we're not out of the woods yet. This is your latest crypto news having to do with the crypto crash that we've been now in for 36 to 48 hours. It's been a really obviously bad time, but I want to share with you a couple of key things that you need to know and also talk to you about what's going on the stock side of the house in case you are not paying attention to that because it is really bad over there. Okay, so two things. My name is Austin. And if you're new to me, please hit that like and hit that subscribe. That's the two things I need you to do. Okay. So here's why I titled the video Crypto Clawing Its Way Back. So crypto earlier today was down about 18+%. And that's that number right there. So we've clawed our way back 10%. And this number was down in the 1.7 trillion. So we've gained about $100 billion in market capitalization back from what we had lost. Now, does that mean we're out of the woods yet? No, absolutely not. I'm just conveying to you that's kind of the latest status of where we're at right this moment. We've got Ethereum back up 12, being down 12%, but you can see Ethereum hit its low of 2,122. So it's up $200 to $300 from that. Now, Bitcoin is a different story. Bitcoin is trading at 53.4 and it was at 54,000 a little bit earlier, but Bitcoin did dip below 50,000 to that $49,000 range. Okay. So it's come back nicely, coming back about $4,000 and change as far as that goes. But it's this number that I'm focusing you on. We're clawing our way back. Now, will it continue? We don't know. We have to continue to see how the rest of the day goes as we roll in today and tonight and into tomorrow. Now, this to me is a big part of the story. Look at what's going on the stock side of the house. We've got the Dow top 30 down 1,000 points. We got NASDAQ down 682. The stock sell-off is intensifying. This all has to do with uncertainty and doubt and unrest around the U.S. financial markets, having to do with the Federal Reserve, that they should, be doing more to fight the inflation scenario, and Wall Street basically saying you're not doing enough fast enough. And that's what you see. This Wall Street sell-off is around concerns having to do with obviously the U.S. economy. Okay, and that's what's really happening, and that's not a good scenario. And I think that was what was earlier today impacting crypto so dramatically and ran it down to, 18+% down. We saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the major blue chips down. That's a big part of it. Now, I think we've got a little bit of a decoupling scenario playing out here where cryptos have effectively decoupled or unhooked themselves. That's the word I was looking for, from the stock market, and are paring back some of those losses and fighting and clawing their way back. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing here. Now, if we look at everything though, I want to point out, look, Solana in the 7 days down 30%. That's a discount, guys. So Solana's on a 30-day, a 30% discount over where it was 7 days ago. Okay. So just FYI on that. So be looking for opportunities to pick up maybe some of your top cryptos at a nice discount here. Now, do I think the bleeding is done? No, I think that we've got a pervasive problem here of fear, uncertainty, and doubt playing out. Obviously causing a tremendous amount of bloodshed over on the crypto side, and on the stock side, fear and greed index going from a 58 to 60 number to down to a 31, where we're now in that orange, kind of entering into that extreme fear scenario. We're definitely in the fear side, but we're not quite into the extreme. But I'm focusing on the fact that we have pared back some of those losses, which to me is a good sign. Now, to give you a visual perspective of a little bit different perspective, look right here from there to there. We saw Bitcoin drop 25+%. By the way, that's my trading software, X1 Algo, that said it's the right time to get out of Bitcoin if you're doing short-term trading and not take a 25% loss. Links are in the description below if you want to pick up my trading indicator, X1 Algo. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee right there. And the software basically costs $1 a day. So if you want to know exactly when to buy and when to sell, there's an example of it. Like right here, back here, it said, hey, it's the right time to buy. Wrote it all the way up there. That's a 17, 18+% up gain. So $1,000 bought, you would have made you $180 profit. But more importantly, don't take a 24, 25% loss. Ethereum, kind of a similar deal. It gave a perfect sell on Ethereum. Don't take a 31% loss. See that red box, negative 31. So sell Ethereum, don't take a loss, right? Now, this is if you're doing short to midterm trading, things of that nature. So just kind of show you Shiba Inu, kind of the same chart. You can see right here, it said, hey, it's time to sell, and don't take a 43% loss in the last 18 days. Okay. So links in description below if you want to try out the software. Remember, you got 30 days. If you like it, you get a complete refund. So give it a shot. So yeah, that's where we're at. I think we'll see how things continue to play out. I'm watching this situation. If you haven't already done so, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep you updated as we roll along. Later. See you. Go make some money.